Hey, good evening, guys. Happy Friday. Tonight is Mexican night, and what are we making, Pumpkin?
Tortillas.
We're making quesadillas.
Oh.
I call them quesadillas, but the real name is quesadillas, but it's the same thing. So you ready for Mexican night?
Yes.
All right. So we have some easy ingredients. We have some Old El Paso tortillas. You can get any kind of tortillas that you would like. We have just some salsa, some sour cream. We have some beef. We have some chicken. We have some shrimp on the stove that I'm going to make. Have some Mrs. Dash salt-free because I got to get my pressure down. Just a pack of cheese, some bacon. So we're going to do some with shrimp and bacon, some plain shrimp. For y'all people that don't eat meat anymore, you can do shrimp and just plain chicken, beef, mix it all together. You can do whatever you want to do. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the bacon in the air fryer so it can get crispy. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's get our air fryer. And I want you to lay the bacon going across like this. Okay.
So
Yep.
like that.
Yep. Let's put it right in there. And we're only going to use a few pieces because we're actually going to crumble the bacon up so it can go in the quesadillas. So I always cut my bacon in half. So if we do 4 pieces, that's going to be like 2 pieces of bacon. But we like bacon, so we're going to do, let's see. So as you can see, the bacon shrivels up. So you can just push it right onto the side. I'm going to put the rest in here like this. Okay. You want to do it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Wipe your hands and put it in there. Perfect. So let's plug it up. And we're going to do our bacon 400 on, I'm going to say 7 minutes. Okay, so come on over here. So while the bacon is cooking, we're going to saute our shrimp. We're just going to saute the shrimp just a little bit because they're raw. And the quesadillas are not going to be in the air fryer that long, and we don't want raw shrimp. So we're just going to saute them a little bit. And we'll be back when the bacon is done. Okay, Pumpkin, go ahead and put the shrimp in there with the spoon. Use your spoon. Good job.
And more.
Yep. And then you just move it around like that. Can you do that for me? I'm going to get the taco seasoning. Mrs. Dash, salt-free. Madison asked me in the grocery store what it tastes the same. Oh my God, those shrimp smell so good. We just use a little bit of olive oil. And while Madison is tending to the shrimp, I'm just going to sprinkle some of this taco seasoning on them. Ooh, yeah. That's good.
They look good.
Yes. So let's saute these shrimp, and then we be back. So the bacon has been 7 minutes. I flipped it over, and I'm putting it back in here for 5 more minutes. Okay, so now our bacon is done. Is it crispy, Pumpkin?
Yes.
Okay. So this is Madison's knife. She got it last year for Christmas because Madison loves cooking. And it's plastic, but it does cut and it's good for kids. She uses this to like cut her sandwiches when she makes her lunch or whatever. So Madison is going to chop the bacon. So you can put like 2 to 3 pieces like this. And just go like this. See how easy that is, guys? Just chop the bacon. Okay? Now you do it. And don't eat none. I know you want it. You love bacon. See, it's easy. A 10-year-old can do it. I was going to say, nah, but you turn 10 Tuesday. So she's going to chop up the bacon, and then we'll be back to put the quesadilla together. Okay, now the bacon is chopped. We're going to start making our quesadillas. So what do you want first in your quesadilla?
The chicken.
Just chicken? No bacon?
Yeah, bacon and chicken and shrimp.
Okay. Bacon, chicken, and shrimp. So we're just going to take our little tortilla.
So little.
It is cute, right? So lay it in the inside. Boom.
Boom.
Okay? Boom.
Boom. Boom, 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 boom.
So I'm just gonna put a little cheese right here.
Just a little.
So we don't have to keep going in the bag. Okay? So I want you to sprinkle some cheese on top of this tortilla.
All around?
Yep, all around. As much cheese as you want. Because this is
Yay.
catered to you. Try not to get it on a rack.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
That's good.
You don't want no cheese around here? It's just going to be like plain. Okay. I'm just going to put a little bit more. Okay. When I make my tortilla, my quesadilla, I'm going to have a lot of cheese. Okay. So, let's see. Let's put our chicken down. Let's put a few pieces of chicken down. So, grab in here and get a few pieces of chicken.
I want like 4 to 3 pieces of chicken.
Like 4 to 3 pieces?
Probably 3.
Okay. And this chicken is already cooked.
But
This is a thick piece. We can like cut this in half. What you think?
We'll make it 4.
Yeah, look at that. See? Just cut that in half.
6. No, 8, right?
Just like the bacon. How we cut it in half.
That's good.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So get you a little shrimp.
Just grab it.
Yeah, get you like 2 or 3 pieces of shrimp or however many you want.
1, 2, 3.
Is it still hot?
No.
That's all the shrimp you want?
4.
Okay. Well, you like to count. All right, get a little bit of bacon.
Now I want a lot of bacon.
I figured that.
Not as much, because that's a lot of meat.
Okay. You don't have no bacon over there. Okay, now put a little bit more cheese on top. See how easy this is, guys? Easy dinner.
Easy dinner.
Lunch. But we're going to make it dinner.
Yeah.
That looks so good, Mook Mook.
Once you put the sour cream.
Okay, now lay your other tortilla on top. Boom. Now we're going to stick some toothpicks. Some toothpicks in it so it don't fly off. Just like I did the peanut butter and jelly. Okay, you ready to put it in the air fryer?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go. So we're going to put on the air fryer. We're going to turn it down to maybe like 375. And we're going to do like 3 minutes on one side and 3 minutes on the other side.
So 6 minutes in all.
Yeah, we're going to flip it. And then we'll be back when it's done. Okay, the quesadillas are done. The quesadillas are done. And now we have our taste tester. Madison, she has some chips as well. Do you want some sour cream or salsa?
I want salsa.
Okay. And give me your honest opinion.
Okay. So fun. Okay.
Okay, which one you going to take? You want some sour cream?
No.
Okay. Well, say your grace.
That's good, God's good. Let's take it for our food. Bow our head to our faith. Give us our day bread. Your name pray. Amen.
Amen. Well, let's see. Make sure you blow. What you think?
It was good.
It's good? So what do I get?
A 30.
A 30?
No, a 100.
So, what's the scale? Last time it was between 0 and 20. So, what is the scale today?
1 through 100.
1 through 100. And what did I get?
A 100.
A 100 on my quesadillas. Now I'm going to make mine. So, see how easy that was? A 10-year-old made these quesadillas. A few things from the grocery store. Didn't cost a lot of money. Didn't take a lot of time. It would have took me less time if I wasn't trying to record this video with y'all. But this is an easy dinner for you to make for yourself, for you to make for lunch. It's so easy to do. And it's healthy. You didn't have to fry anything. And I use Mrs. Dash salt free. All right, well, we're going to enjoy y'all dinner, and we'll be back with dessert.